This is ProjectBot that helps me with freelance job applications and reduces my time and effort by 90%. This is my recent vibe coding project that helps me to massively reduce the time and effort of freelance projects acquisition. A dashboard shows all projects that fit my personal CV, and I can filter the table according to the fit score analyzed by AI. A status system helps to organize the process. Let's look into the docs on GitHub to see how it works. I use the RSS feed from FreelancerMap to find new projects. An AI-based evaluation process scores the projects according to my personal CV. Another AI-based step generates a highly customized application for all projects that surpass the configured fit score. This process happens on a configured schedule. A dashboard helps to organize the workflow. It provides filters and sorting options to find the best candidate. Let's have a look at the project lifecycle. A list of projects gets scraped from the RSS feed. The evaluation either accepts or rejects the project. Applications are generated for high-fit projects, which can be reviewed and edited. The application is sent via the FreelancerMap portal, which requires an active subscription. On the dashboard, it enters the state open, which allows tracking of communication and negotiation information. Finally, it can be moved to the archive state. A smart purging system removes all unused projects depending on age and state. Back in the dashboard, I open this high-fit project to review the application. In the integrated Markdown editor, I check the evaluation result. Here, keyword-based pre-evaluation passed with a score of 13%, and the LLM analysis estimates a fit score of 92%. The LLM GPT-5 Mini also provides a detailed rationale of the decision. Then I review and edit the application, which was generated by Claude Sonnet 4. I can edit it directly here. For example, I can change the hourly rate. I may switch to review mode or push the send button, which brings me to the FreelancerMap portal. The send button copies the application into the clipboard. I simply paste it, choose my attachments and apply. If I get a call back from a recruiter, I added the information directly into the profile here. Here, Herr Meyer checked my availability and my hourly rate and announced an interview date for next week. To further track the activity, I changed the state to open. I can optionally add a note here as well. The application includes a scheduler to control the automation and to also view the job history. Looking at the architecture, the app is intended to be deployed to local networks, like my home network. On my home server, it runs as a Docker Compose configuration. I can access it from my laptop, tablet or smartphone within my home network. And using Tailscale, I also access it from the internet in a secure fashion. The core of the app took me 3 days of vibe coding using KiloCode, mostly using the model Grok Code Fast 1, and occasionally Claude Sonnet 4. I have open sourced it for people that may find it useful. Feel free to clone the project on GitHub and install it in your own network. You will need an API key for OpenAI and Anthropic and a subscription for FreelancerMap. This concludes the introduction to ProjectBot.